In our various homes, we say, as long as you are eating, you are definitely fine. That is what we all grew up to believe. Until one day, we lost someone dearly in our family. There was nothing like sickness that we could see, no signs of warning that we understood. Guess what? It was just high cholesterol. The silent, patient, dangerous killer. That day taught me something our elders always knew. How you cook is how you care. What goes into your body determines how long you will live on this earth. So today, I'm cooking dark tomato stew with intention. I'm going to be using just 1 tablespoon of olive oil, some fresh tomatoes and paprika, natural spices, slow fire, because food is not only for the stomach, it is also for the heart. Olive oil helps the good cholesterol. Tomatoes protect the body, and mindful cooking keeps our people longer at the table. This stew is rich. This stew is super tasty. But most importantly, this food respects life. Healthy food doesn't mean tasteless food, okay? It basically means choosing life and choosing one meal at a time. So after prepping everything, I fry my onions in 1 tablespoon of olive oil and then add in my cooked tomato and paprika mix. Since the tomatoes are well cooked, it won't take time on the fire. I'll now add in the duck stock. So what I use to steam the duck, the blended spices I use to steam the duck, I will leave the link to that video down in the description. I'll also add the duck meat to it and then give it a very good stir. So once everything is in, I'm not going to add in any seasoning powder or extra spices. I leave it on fire for 15 minutes for the flavors to marry. Healthy doesn't mean boring, okay? It means choosing better, one pot at a time. Live to tell your story. Alright, I'll see you in my next video. Until then, always remember to do everything in love. You know where to find me when you want healthy food, right? Cheers!